Bill Gates wants to stop cows from burping to fight climate change, with his firm Breakthrough Energy Ventures investing in a company called Ruminate, a climate change technology company that studies solutions to reducing livestock emissions. Their latest initiative identifies anti-methanogenic properties through a dietary supplement which prohibits the creation of methane and can be produced for a low cost and fed to livestock. The investment comes despite Bill Gates telling the MIT Review in 2021 that it would be almost impossible to eliminate emissions from burping cows and that plant-based beef was the only viable option. Meanwhile, Bill Gates flies on private jets, even to a Paris climate conference, and he calls it his guilty pleasure.